आप लोगों का?
Origin of life. It is a representative model.
From which class you are?
6 to 8.
6 to 8.
Junior. Junior.
Junior two. Can you explain this project? Explain.
So, first of all, this is our universe. We get our universe through the theory of Big Bang theory. It was just a mini exploration of a hot point. It goes 13.8 billion years ago. After that, in which we have Milky Way galaxy. In Milky Way galaxy, we have solar system. The solar system are Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter. Have you ever wondered how we get the planet Earth? Earth was very molded and hot at that time. But after a few years, when the rainfall happened, it get cold and it gets water, land, many in present in them. After that, let's move forward and see how we get the things to see. First of all, we get oceans and volcanic eruption. Thanks to volcanic eruption, with the help of it, we get our land, oceans, and many more things. How? Because when the volcanic eruption happened, the lava that comes out of the eruption, it get cold and make as a land. And there was many low lying area land. When the rainfall happened, it sorry contain the water in it.
Yes.
Then we get our soil, but we get soil because the rock were formed after the natural forms. The soil get convert in them, and we get protogenesis. But there was no any form of agriculture at that time. But then we get our invertebrates animal, but there was no any animal at earlier time. There was only bacteria named as Platycolor cell. Now we get our oceans aquatic animals that were invertebrates. They don't have backbones. Then we more developed and gave the types of fishes. The fishes were the animal like fish and many more that have backbones in them. Huh. Ritika.
Explain
So
from
the
amphibians.
amphibians. Should I? Amphibians are the animal. There was animal that come from land to water are known as amphibian that survive on the both plant. Both on the surface. So the amphibians will come on the land and then they make as a reptiles. So the reptiles are cold-blooded. Their skin are scaly, dry, and they live on land, mostly on water, and they lay eggs and they breathe through the lungs. And volcano eruption happen when hot molten rock called magma come out from inside the earth is called a volcano eruption. It is caused due to present magma inside the earth and increased pressure underground, and lava, smokes, ashes come out. It is all the process of volcano eruption.
After that, extinction of dinosaurs.
Yes, sir.
After the extinction of dinosaur, there were a dinosaur called Pterosaurus that were the ancestor of apes. Apes are the biological class of birds, and birds survived because they were small and they fed on the dead plants that were extinct in the asteroid when the asteroid hit. and then
Okay.
and then come the evolution of the humans were first the early ancestor, and then astro-
Australopithecus.
Australopithecus, and then they become
Homo habilis.
Homo habilis. That
Homo erectus.
Yeah, Homo habilis.
second.
That means handyman, because they made stones tools to hunt, to protect themselves. And then Homo erectus developed fire to protect themselves, fire to warm themselves and protect themselves from hunting and animals.
And
And then
Homo
Homo
sapiens.
sapiens, they started arts and cultures, engaging in cultures. For example, they worship trees and that all. Then humans developed more, and they started making things. For example, the greatest invention is wheel. They use wheel for transportation for crops and transportation from here to there. And then they make carriage called tangas. They made carriers transport things. That was the evolution of human. Thank you.
Very good. Nice
Thank you, sir.
explanation.
Thank you, sir.
All the best for future.
Thank you, sir.